My name is Prapti and today I'm going to show you a recipe of a quick and easy immunity boosting juice. So let's get towards ingredients. I have 2 oranges, some thinly sliced oranges, sugar, mint leaves and a glass of chilled water. Well, I am going to add this. This is fresh amla juice. Now peeled oranges are ready. And now, one by one, we are going to put it into blender jar. Instead of blender jar, you can use juicer. But if you don't have it, you can use blender jar for option always. Now, I'm going to add oranges. Little by little, I'm going to add oranges. Don't peel off the skin of these oranges as it adds fiber to our juice. Now, we are going to add some fresh mint leaves, not too much because mint gives a lot of flavor to our juice. I'm going to add this much only. And now oranges are originally sweet, so I'm going to add only a tablespoon of sugar. But if your oranges are not that sweet, you can add 2 or 3. Now, I'm going to add, as I told, this fresh amla juice in it. I'm adding this 4 tablespoons. If fresh amla is available, you can add that also. Now I'm going to add a glass of fresh water. And blend this. Now, after blending it, our juice is ready and it's going to look something like this. And now I'm going to strain it into a jar. Now I have strained this juice from the blender jar. Now I'm going to add it into the glass. And now I'm going to garnish it. So as I told earlier, we are going to need some thinly sliced oranges. I'm going to garnish it with this. So, your immunity boosting juice is ready. This is going to taste very nice and it's really very sweet. It has a bunch of sourness. So, your kids are definitely going to like it. And it is, as you know, it is very quick and easy to make. Put the ingredients, blend it, strain it, and it's done. Thank you.